Allison. I'm the Programs Outreach and Youth Services Manager here at Monterey County Free Libraries. Thank you for joining me today for another episode of Make It Monday. Today I am going to show you how to make this cool collapsible fan. So for this project you are going to need 2 pieces of paper, 2 craft sticks or popsicle sticks, some glue, and either a stapler or some tape. So gather up those materials and we will get started. To start our fans, we are going to fold our 2 pieces of paper accordion style, and we are going to fold them along the shorter side. So not this way, but this way. And to fold something accordion style, you will just fold it once like that. It doesn't really matter how big your folds are. And then you flip it over and you fold it again this way, and then you flip it back. And you repeat that process back and forth until you've completely folded your paper, and the end result is that it looks like an accordion, or in this case, like a fan. So you're going to do that to both pieces of your paper. Now that we've done that, you are going to take one piece of paper and pinch it in the middle, fold it in half to make a little fan like this, and take your glue stick to apply glue to hold the 2 sides together. So you'll put glue on one piece, put it on both sides if you like, then you'll fold it back again and just smoosh it out like this, fold it together so that you have one connected piece like that. To make sure that it's extra stuck together, you can put it under something heavy. I'm putting it under my water bottle, and you'll repeat that with the other piece of paper. Now that you have these 2, you are going to glue them together. So you'll put them together like this, add glue to both sides, and you'll hold it together so that they stick. You can put it again under something heavy to make sure that they're going to stay stuck together. Or you can just hold them together. Another thing that you can do if you want some extra reinforcement is you can put some staples here to make sure that it's stuck together, or I'm just going to take a little piece of tape and go to the parts that I glued together and add a little bit of tape in there for extra reinforcement. I'm going to put one close to the bottom to make sure that they're stuck together all the way down the line. Alright, now that we've done that, we are going to take our 2 craft sticks and we're going to add them into the folds at the bottom. So you can just place them in like this, and then you're going to get your tape or your stapler out again, and you're going to tape it so that the popsicle sticks, or the craft sticks, are nicely secured inside of these little folds. You can also use glue for this if you want, but a normal glue stick probably isn't going to really hold enough. You'll want something a little bit stronger, so if you have a hot glue gun at home or Mod Podge, something that's a little bit stronger, you can use that. For this one, you can go ahead and stick it under the bottom so that it's in the last little rung. So I'm going to flip it over and secure it into that little pocket. Alright, so once you have your craft sticks in, you just fold it up like this, and then you can unfold it and you have a fan. I hope that you enjoyed making this project with me. This can help to keep you cool in these final days of summer, and it's great to collapse up and take with you places. You can just put it in your pocket or in your backpack. It's a nice fan, a little bit different than the fans that you might be used to making with paper. A great way to cool off. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you have a nice rest of your week, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everyone.